Nestled within an industrial zone, the Sawmill House stands as a testament to innovative design and sustainable practices. Its unique construction, utilizing reclaimed concrete blocks, not only anchors the dwelling into the landscape but also serves as a poignant commentary on waste reduction. The project began as a humble bohemian abode, but with the guidance of Archier Studio, it underwent a dramatic transformation. The design team collaborated closely with the homeowner, a sculptor, leveraging their expertise to create a highly bespoke yet cost-effective dwelling. The hands-on approach allowed for flexibility, enabling the incorporation of features like movable walls, courtyards, and custom-made furnishings. Beyond its functional aspects, the Sawmill House is a visual spectacle. The reclaimed concrete blocks, each bearing the marks of their previous lives as bridges, footpaths, or homes, create a patchwork of color and texture. This textured exterior grounds the building on the site, echoing the sedimentary layers of the former gold mine. Additionally, the untreated macrocarpa screens reference the site's sawmill history, gradually blending into the surrounding landscape. The house's design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. Its operable envelope, including a large retractable roof, allows for optimal natural ventilation and passive heating and cooling. This adaptability is crucial for the family, who must navigate a diverse and sometimes extreme climate. The Sawmill House is more than just a dwelling, it's a statement about sustainable design and resourcefulness. By repurposing waste concrete, the project demonstrates the potential for positive impact on the environment. It's a tangible example of how innovative thinking can transform both the built environment and our approach to construction. And there you have it, folks. The Sawmill House, a stunning example of sustainable design and architectural innovation. By repurposing waste materials and creating a highly adaptable living space, Archier Studio has truly redefined what a home can be. If you're inspired by this project and want to see more incredible builds, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts on the Sawmill House. Thanks for watching.